Greetings everyone. The title of our project is Retrofitting of 3D printer for ready-to-serve cases. As we know, the application of 3D printer for mechanical engineers is mostly in the field of 3D manufacturing of parts and components. But the use of 3D printer in food industry is seldom. But in modern times, there is a wave of innovation of using 3D printers for producing customized art.
Data on previous year model. Our project was passed down to us from the previous years as their model has considerable flaws, which included that the cake was not stable and was not able to hold its shape, and it was not practical to use.
Innovations are done. To tackle this issue, we design an enclosure for trapping the heat and avoid convection due to heat losses. We also replaced the stepper motor with a DC pump for pumping the batter via a smaller circuit.
The output of a project is the printer, which can print a cake, which can be firm enough to hold its shape, and it can be transported from one location to another. Also, the printer is capable of printing more than just cakes. It can be used to print foods like bibinka, dodol, and bath.
future scopes. Although the prototype model works fine, these are a few adjustments that can be made to improve the product. These include, we can add a high torque pump, which can help us to pump better with high viscosity. We can also implement a dual extruder, one for printing the cake and other for decorating the cake. The future model can also be made faster and lighter.